Hi, it's Fias Tarot. Hello, Gemini placement. So this is your general and love reading, the person on your mind this October. So let's see anong meron. Okay, so again, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. And again, yes, kung may tanong pagdating po sa private reading, just message me sa akin pong FB page for more info. Ganun rin po pagdating sa ating mga charms and sa ating mga pang protection, no, mula sa mga evil eye na ibinabato. Okay, so yes, yung ating cord cut, yung pang-alis, pang-tanggal ng MALAS. So ito yon. So yun ang job description niya, haalisin niya yon, yung mga yan, mga alat. Okay, and ito naman ating 2-in-1 love and money bracelet. So for love and money, mga ganyang bagay. And yeah, nilagyan natin to ng citrine stone. Okay, so alam nyo naman lagi ko naman sinasabi yon. Excuse me. And yung ating granter. Okay, granter necklace. So siya yung nag-grant ng inyong mga minamanifest. And yes, yung ating mga sample ng evil eye protection. So ito yung sample na isa. Yung ating ring. So meron tayong ring. This is adjustable, by the way. And meron tayong bracelets and necklace. Okay, so, yung ating for cleansing and recharging, yung ating tawag dyan, pang recharge sa mga charms, sa ating mga crystal, if you have crystals, yan, mga ganyan. Pwede po yun, yung ating selenite. Okay, so kasama si selenite sa ating energy, sa ating cleansing, recharging kit. Okay, so no need to wait for the full moon, diba? So, let's see. Okay, Gemini, what's for you in general this October? Anong meron for Gemini placements this October? Gemini, October, Gemini. Oh, this is you. The Lovers. This is your energy. What's with that? This is talking about partnership in general, okay? Hindi lang sa love. The Fool in reversed. Alam mo, Gemini, merong ditong could be partnership or offer na pwedeng mangyari this October, pero hindi ko alam kung tatanggapin mo or igagrab mo kasi medyo, sabihin natin, hindi ito, sabihin natin napaka-unusual, no? Or hindi ka sanay sa offer or dito sa partnership na to, kung ano man, hindi ko alam. Pwedeng wala kang idea about this, hindi ka marunong or what. Okay, may chance na pwedeng i-reject mo or i-delay mo. Okay, itong offer na to. Or, yeah, sabi ko nga, parang hindi mo agad-agad i-grab. Kasi, may chance again, sabi ko, na parang hindi ka sanay dito. I don't know kung ano ba to. Yeah. So, sinasabi lang na parang, yeah, mag-juggle ka pa. Juggle. Yes, no, yes, no, yes, no. Okay? Pero ang nakikita ko dito, hindi mo naman totally closed off yung opportunity na to. Yeah, this is an opportunity coming in this October. Okay? What else? The Four of Wands in reversed and the Nine of Cups in reversed. May mga energy dito, Gemini, na parang unfulfilled, okay? Lalo sa, yeah, talking about stability in general, okay? Yes, pwedeng hindi pa maibigay kung ano man to, could be money, could be, yeah, kung ano man, okay? Talking about stability, I don't know, some of you, this could be pertaining to a house, Okay, pwedeng meron pa rin hindi matatapos. Parang ganyan. Specific po yun, not for all. Okay? Some of you, this could be promotion na pwedeng mapepending pa rin, hindi pa rin maibibigay sa'yo. Mga ganyang bagay. Okay? So, may bibigay at may bibigay. Pero meron nga lang talagang conflict sa ngayon. Okay? So, don't worry. Kasi, matatapos at matatapos rin naman actually. Not, ano lang naman, sabihin natin, hindi pa lang sa ngayon or hindi pa lang ngayong October. Yeah, the Ten of Swords. Yeah, hindi pa rin tatapos. Some of you need to heal. Okay? You need to heal in general. What else? For Gemini, Four of Swords. Meron ako nakikitang breakups dito this October. Yeah, hindi ko isa-set aside yun. Hindi ko... Oo. May mga mag-break, may mga magkakaroon ng no contact, may mga separation na mangyayari this October. The Hermit, see? Ghosting, if ever, some of you with a Virgo or an air sign. Yeah. Oh. Iba kasi nakikita ko rito parang nandun sila sa energy na parang emotionally independent. Okay? Pwedeng yun yung mga dahilan kung bakit magkakaroon ng separation, magkakaroon ng kung ano man. Meron ditong nangangailangan ng pahinga. May nangangailangan ng pahinga dito. Kung ano man yun. So, situation or people, sabihin natin nagbibigay ng hindi okay na energy sa'yo. Okay? So, kailangan mo na mag-pause doon. Yeah, see? Oops, wait lang. Seven of Wands is energy of rejecting. Rejecting situations, people in general. Okay, this is saying no. This is blocking. Okay? Iba talaga dito, may mga hinihintay na pera pero sa tingin ko hindi pa rin may bibigay eh. Okay? Pwedeng I don't know kung talagang hindi lang ibinibigay or may mga dahilan yung mga tao. Iba dito specific kung mayroon kayong mga hinihintay na pera this October, talagang kip eh, no? Nung sino man ang mga may responsibilidad na magbigay sa inyo or magbayad if ever. Okay? So, next, let's see the person on your mind, Gemini. Who is this? The person on Gemini's mind. Again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Okay, kung may tanong po again sa reading, sa ating mga charms, so, message po kayo sa akin pong FB page, sa legit FB page, dahil sobrang daming gumagaya ng ating page. Oo. Be careful, be vigilant. Okay, so the person on your mind, Gemini, who is this? The person on your mind. Strength in reverse, could be Leo. Some of them may pagkatamad, specifically. May pagkatamad yung tao. Not for all, So, strength in reverse. Or, sabihin natin masyadong draining energy ng person. Every time na makasama mo to is nakaka-drain, nakakalungkot. I don't know if this is mentally, physically, okay, financially. Let's see, what's with this strength in reverse? Yeah, the Tower. Oh my gosh. Leo and Scorpio. This person is isang trouble. Okay, para sa'yo. Yeah, maybe some of you cut them off. You ignore them, or maybe you're rejecting this person. Or you tried to reject the person. Some of you, meron kayong chance na kayo ay magkahiwalay sa ngayon. Okay, the Tower is here. Walang ginagawa itong tao ngayon pagdating sa situation ninyo. Let's see. What is their emotion right now? Their emotion for you, Gemini. What is their emotion? Some of you, pwedeng ano wala, ano tawag dito, bigla-bigla na lang nawala. Okay, nawala yung effort, nawala kung ano man. Okay, dito sa taong to, kung ano bang mga pinagagawa nito sa'yo, biglang nawala, biglang nag-pull away, nag-back out, nag-step back, mga ganyang bagay. Some of you, pwedeng ginost ka. Okay, unexpected. What's the emotion for you right now? The Three of Wands. Why? What's with that? Three of Wands. What? Okay, they're expecting you na magkakaroon kayo, or gagawa ka ng way para magkaroon ng new beginning. They're expecting you. Yeah, to take action. Sa totoo lang, iba sa kanila, parang hopeless na. Okay, sa situation. They still want this. I don't know kung ano nangyari sa inyo. Some of them, hindi sila makagawa ng kung ano man na kailangan gawin pagdating sa situation because sila yung umalis nang wala man lang rason o dahilan. Hindi nila alam kung papaano at kung anong sasabihin pagbalik. Okay? Iba dito, nagkaroon ng iba. Nagkaroon, ayun this is the BITCH. This is the kabet. Okay, this is conflict. So, nagkaroon ng pagdedesisyon or pagpili itong person na to na hindi mo alam, maybe, or I don't know, kung may idea ka about that, pero some of you, that could be the reason why. Okay? So, let's see, what is their next action? What is their next action this October? Meron ba? Kasi naghihintay lang siya. Okay? And hoping na magkaroon muli ng new beginning with you. What is their next action? Meron ba? The Knight of Cups. So, there's an offer coming from your person. Ooh, the Hierophant. Merong offer. Merong offer. Pero are you ready dito? So, nakataob na King of Wands in reversed. Yun ang hindi natin alam. Yeah, the Seven of Swords. They're being sneaky. Some of you, the person is still, sabi natin, the same person. Okay? The same person na nilayuan mo or inalisan ka, siya pa rin yun. Walang pagbabago. May chance po ng pagre-reach out. Offering, again, maybe, offering you a connection. Pero itong hindi mo nakikita. Okay, the lies, deception, sneakiness ng tao. See, the Ace of Wands in reverse. So, may chance na parang magkakaroon lang kayo ng failed start or yung false start na sinasabi. It's like sa simula lang magiging okay and then mababago na naman. Okay? So, yung iba dito, kung dumanas na kayo ng ganon noon, may chance na yun pa rin po yung pwedeng mangyari. So, advice na lang, Gemini. Advice. Advice for Gemini placement sa situation na itay. Let's see. Okay, Gemini. Advice for Gemini. Oh, the Empress in reversed. There's no progress. So, sinasabi na dito, this is a gabay na there's no progress. No improvement. Okay? You don't need to settle for less. Yeah. This is sabihin nating hindi ka na naive dito sa connection na to. Okay? Hindi mo na para kunin muli yung sitwasyon or yung tao. It's like a bato, o diba, na ipupukpok mo sa ulo mo. Parang ganon. It's like, this is enough. Enough is enough. Ganon ang naririnig ko dito. Okay? The Three of Pentacles in reversed. And yeah, and the Six of Pentacles. So, may chance yung iba rito, dumanas na dumaan na kayo sa ganitong situation before. So, hindi rin naman talaga naging okay. So, may chance ganun na naman po. I don't know if you're ready for that again. Okay, if you're ready na talagang magpupukpok na naman sa ulo ninyo ng bato na to. Hindi pa kayo natatauhan, sige, go. Pero kung natauhan ka na, edi, di ba, make this as a gabay. Kung hindi pa po, okay, go. Para kayo ay matauhan. O, di ba? Sa mga hindi pa natatauhan dyan. Oo, matatauhan kayo this time. No, ayan, di ba? So, communication, okay, hindi naman sinasabing bawal ang communication, pero don't expect anything big. Don't expect anything kung ano man ang ginugusto mo pagdating sa situation ninyo. Okay? Open the line of communication. Hindi naman masama na makipag-usap, pero wag mo nga hayaan yung sarili mo na parang ma-fall na naman dito sa connection na to. Again and again and again. Okay? So, yeah. Let's see. All signs. Gemini. All signs. Aries through Pisces. So, yung ating charm reading after this. Okay? So, let's see. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe again. Gemini. 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 Aries through Pisces. The zodiac sign you're dealing with or dealt with. Let's see. Aries, they want another chance. Taurus, they're too inconsistent. Gemini, merong pagpili. Okay? Decisions. So, Cancer, ayaw nila ng tawag dito, toxic, kung ano man. Okay? Some of them, parang nagagawa nilang makadetach sa connection ninyo. Or ikaw, you have to. Leo, they're silent, thinking of you or thinking having another chance with you. Virgo, they want to talk, pero hindi ko nakikita ng parang consistent itong taong to, no? So, parang, gusto ko na makipag-usap, pero after that, wala na, parang ganyan. So, Libra. Okay. So, si Libra, medyo matalino. ayaw nila ng parang makakapagdulot sa kanila ng stress. I don't know if they're trying to avoid you or wala lang. Pinipili lang nila na wala dito sa connection na to, I think. Scorpio, they're avoiding you, blocking you. There's tension. There's tension. So, Sagittarius, they want to see you. They want to hear from you. They're happy. They are happy. Capricorn, emotionally unavailable. So, Aquarius, they're blocking you. Nandito yung energy ng ego, pride. They want control over you, some of them. Pisces, this is totally a burden for them. Okay, if ever na you're trying to detach from them, so mahirap yung situation nila without you. Okay, ayun lang na parang naaalisan mo na sila, or parang feeling kasi nila parang wala ka nang pakialam. Feeling nila may iba ka na, parang ganon energy. So, let's see yung ating charm reading. Okay. So, it's up to you kung paano mo i-connect. Okay? Itong mga charm na makikita natin. Initials, or kung may makikita tayong initials or tawag dyan, mga zodiac signs, mga ganyan. So, it's up to you. Parang magsisilbing parang pagdating sa reading mo, ito yung okay, so yun pala talaga, it's for me, parang ganon. Gemini. Naulan na naman, oh my gosh. Gemini. Okay. That's enough. Pero ako nakita letter P, bigla ako napatingin. Letter P. Oh no, it's raining again. So, meron ditong letter C. Letter C. Okay. A Taurus. Ano, no? I'm sorry. An Aries. An Aries. Sensya na po nga, hindi makita sa ano. Oh my gosh. Basta Aries. Oh. Could be dealing with an Aries. So, meron ditong bone. Okay. So, paano may kukonek yung sarili mo doon? I don't know. Some of you, may alam kayo sa bone. Or, ikaw itong may pet na dog. A crucifix. A butterfly. Heart with the key with the heart. So, yung ganitong shape, I don't know kung ano ba meron dito. So, a heart with wings, diba? Oh no, it's raining. A flower, a red flower. A reindeer. Yeah, reindeer. Headphones. Some of you, pwedeng mahilig kayo sa music. Everyday, merong music. O, diba? A flower, a rose. What? Is okay. Unang kita ko, kala ko rat. It's a cat. It's a cat. Cat. Flower again. So, susi. Again with a heart. Another heart. Some of you could be in love. O, diba ang daming heart? So, merong leaf. Green leaf. So, another heart. And the scissors. Pwedeng trabaho mo. Gumagamit ka ng scissors. Okay? Pwedeng ikaw ay isang nagugupit ka ng hair, o diba? Anything, kung paano maiko-connect sa sarili mo. Kung meron man, edi good. Kung wala, okay lang. So there, yun ang ating reading for you, Gemini placements. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And yeah, follow our FB page and yung ating pong second YouTube channel na nasa description box below. Yung ating pong love letter. Again, thank you. Goodbye.